this.
All right, now we got those metal screws out of there, and that wire out of there. We're going to come onto the sides. This is where we're going to start cutting these off, okay? We're going to do that on either side. I'm going to show him how to do it. Make that go under that, under that. Make it go under. So I'm going to show him how to do one first, and then he's going to do the other one himself. Come here.
We're just cutting on the line.
Yes, but you want to pay attention because you want to make sure you don't cut through the boat, this part here. You understand?
You don't cut through this?
Yes, don't cut through that. So we're going to start out slow, where the saw lays down, comes here, and let the saw work its way back. All right, you understand? We'll do the first one. Watching it where it was close to the edge of the front of the saw instead of way back here. Again, I'm watching it up there. Don't really need to worry about this part because that part's going to be screwed and glued back on there. We're going to do the other one to this side because you're going to do the two at the front.
So it's saying here.
Yes.
Straight down.
I'm going to kind of mark it a little so I know the way I'm going. But I want to concentrate on keeping just this much of it inside the wood. Because even when I get down to the bottom, I don't want to cut all the way through the floor because I'm going to get the floor out of it. So let's hope that did what it's supposed to do. And I I need to get on down through this bridge. Cut that all the way through. You had it right. What it looks like I'm doing is cutting through the 2x4. All right. Take that off.
You're gonna take this out too?
Yes, that's gonna come out.
You're gonna take these humps out. Well,
Yeah, me and you're gonna take that out later. Let's get ourselves a measurement from how we're gonna come along because we gotta watch this slide down. There. I'm putting the thing kind of wide because we also want to make sure we clear the boot. Right?
let's do it right here.
Yeah, let's go right down through this seam. Okay? Alright. Be very careful. Guide your blade. Don't just cut without watching what you're cutting.
All the way down the seam.
Don't press into the wood. You got to start the blade before you start touching the wood. Stop. Now listen. Set the cutter down onto the wood. Nope, you holding it because you're going to use it. Set it down onto the wood. This boot. See that boot? Set that boot there. Tilt up. Up more. Come on. Cut like you're finna cut. Now, you turn it on from here and just back it up and start cutting. You understand? Keeping this boot on the wood. Come on. Squeeze the trigger and get it done.
Pesky buttering.
Yeah. Just like that. Just like that. Keep pushing back. Because now you're cutting through the 2x4. Push back. Put your hand on the top, not on the bottom of it. Put your hand on the top, not on the bottom. Put your hand on the top. Push backwards. Push backwards. Take your time because it's going to be cutting through the 2x4. Don't touch the water. Go forward. Hey. Don't pull the blade out like that. Don't pull the blade out like that. Come on, get it done. Now listen. Put your blade up at the top tilt back into the wood and come on back down.
Foot kept slipping.
Come on, you don't need to do that. Let's go. You got to stay straight.
Okay.
No, don't start from there. Start from right there at that corner. If you can stick the blade through that slice, stick the blade through the slice. You got to stay standing.
Trying to line it up.
If you can stick the blade through the slice, stick it through the slice. I know you got to come up because I know you didn't touch that 2x4 on that one. Pull it out. Come up towards the top because I know you didn't cut that 2x4. Pull it out. Stick it in towards the top because I know you didn't cut that 2x4. At the corner. Stick it in at the corner. Yep, there you go. Hold tight. Squeeze the trigger all the way. Push down. Don't push the handle down, push that down. Back it up a little. Back it up a little. Say here. Stop. Why are you pulling my tool this way? No. You need to keep that tool straight. Okay. I don't need you bending that blade.
I had it straight.
No, you didn't. You're bending it over towards me. If you were straight, you'd still be over here. You was bending it over this way. What are you doing? Keep it straight. Bring this up and start cutting down. I can do it with one hand. What are you doing with it? I can do it with one hand. What is you doing with it? Come on. Come on, finish that slice. And back the blade up some so that the boot don't touch the water. Back it up. And keep it straight. You can do it. You got it. Come on. And get the blade straight, closer towards the doggone wall. Back it up. Back it up. Back it up. And we're going to hold right there.